Hi guys. I would say I'm not really used to this, but you can see me. This is a very short video. It's just like a hint thing. If you're playing hide and seek, then this is a few, not a few, maybe just one or two places. I don't really know. I think this is the third time that I'm doing that. I don't think anyone knows me. So first, if you're playing hide and seek, or you can go under the bed, but then they can see you. But you can also go under this bed, but they can't really see you because they won't think your foot under there. But you actually just ask your other friend to lift it up. Just lift it up. Then you see, just lift it up. Then you climb under and go to the back. You can see this is my room. It's a little bit messy. Here's my sister's room. My sister, she is now 8. She's in grade 3 now. She's turning 9 the 2nd of July. This is my room. I'm 12. It was already my birthday. My birthday is the 12th of January. And this is my brother's room. So yeah, that's my brother's room. He is 9 and he's in grade 4. As you can see, this is our kitchen. You see, there's me, my brother, and my sister. Can you see? There's my mom and dad's room, but my mom is sleeping. Yes, my mom is sleeping. And ek gaan nie my lei wys nie. Okay, I'm going to show you my dogs now. The one's name is Bella, the other one is Rex. Rexy, Bella! Hello, boy. Hello, boy. He's just so happy. Oh, I'm going to show you our garden. Yeah? See, there's the corn, the beans and carrots, and there's baby marrows. Here. See, there's my room again, my sister's room, the bathroom, the kitchen, and where they sleep. Yes. So, I just wanted to let you know how my house look. And maybe other place is on the roof, in the roof, or in a broken couch where they don't think you will like there. You have a broken couch and my brother and sister sometimes hide there, or on a cupboard, or yeah. Oh, as you can see here we have flowers, and there's some more there. So there's a living room, just another door, and flowers. There is another tree here, but it doesn't, flowers are still growing on it. Rex? So yeah, and that's my mom's room. She's sleeping now. My brother brother's room and my sister's room. So yeah, that's my yard, and the swing, we have a fish tank there. But yeah, just quickly gonna show you something. If you can just wait a few minutes. I hope you can see me. But you see, there's my house. And as you can see, it's very big, and I also have this tree, and we are number 12. Just gonna show how it looks at the yard. If we just look out. Bella! You see my dog is out of the yard, look there. She's coming in now. Bella Bones! You see, her name is Bella. She just came in there because that's where she always comes out. Just going to her now. The other way around the house. Yeah, you see, that's where they sleep. Just quickly gonna go get her. There she is. Hello, Bella. Hello, my baby. Good to show you the YouTube. You see another. Ruined my shirt, so I'm gonna go inside. And thank you for watching very much. I'm very shy, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please note the notifications. Thank you. Bye. My name is Peyton de Klerk. Bye.